This is home for the night. I'm on the Lucky Linda claim here between Congress, yes, Congress, Arizona, and I don't know, near Congress, Arizona. Supposed to be here early this afternoon, but I got called out to a search for a dog, missing dog outside of Flagstaff. So kind of got derailed. I got out there and thunderstorms popped up all around the search area, so couldn't fly. But I'm out here in the desert with a horse with no name, sort of, something like that. Gonna set up the old tent. I don't even know if I'm gonna need a tent, but there's a lot of crawlies out here, so creatures of the night. So I might just set up the tent and not put the fly up, the tent fly up, and just keep it open. So it's 92 degrees out right now, but it's a dry heat. But this is a claim, a gold claim. I'll be out here tomorrow and maybe Monday. We'll see how I do. Yeah, it's good to get out. There's the lone saguaro right there. See him? It's a him, because you know how you can tell? Yeah, that's how. Also, I'll be testing out some equipment tonight that I've acquired, which should be interesting. Been waiting a while to do this. I'm trying to force fall upon us here, because I'm really into gold prospecting. I've always wanted to do it, and I've got myself a really nice gold detector, the Mine Lab Gold Monster 1000. It's a thing. And so out here in the desert in the fall and the winter is really nice. You may have seen something like this on one of my videos. It's the LED portable mini cat is what they call it. Man, it is really cool. So I'm gonna hook it up now as my little camp light tonight. I've actually got two of these. One has a battery pack and this one plugs into the cigarette lighter. And it also has a 110 adapter. So let me hook it up here and I'll show you how it works. It's really cool light. And I just unroll it as much as I need, and I kind of drape it over my tailgate and my tent, whatever. Gives me as much light as I want, which is adequate for camping. So voila, I just kind of fed it through my defroster cables. Eventually I'm gonna get little like chip clips or magnets with little clippies on them. Clippies is very technical, but I just kind of fed it over my tent and it gives me plenty of light inside the tent. I think that's a bush in there, or a javelina, I don't know, but check it out. A whole lot of light. I've got two of these. I think they measure 15 feet, but hardly take any voltage. They're LEDs. You can run them over. It's this really soft plastic, or hard plastic, but it's really flexible stuff. Very high quality. Good morning. Here's what's for breakfast. Well, we got some Black Rifle coffee, Revenge blend. Heated up some water for my breakfast skillet. This stuff is actually really, really good. Disregard the dust and the dirt, but I'm camping on the claim. And then here we go. Sun's just about to come, well, maybe not just about, but I've been up since 4:30. It's my kind of a mess down in here. I got my water and my little cooking setup. I didn't set up any tables or anything, but here's the tent, the cot. I kind of slept horribly last night. The quail are up, the coyotes were up for a while. It's a beautiful morning. Found a spot to park under a tree. So I'm primarily prospecting or metal detecting today with the Gold Monster 1000. I'm using the 10-inch coil for now. Basically, just don't want to change it out. We'll see how it does. I got it taped up and I got it dialed in so much right now, so it's at the point where if I, bounce into a rock or something, it just doesn't go bling bling. Like I'm kind of in this little wash here, alluvial wash. I'm thinking about going back to the truck and switching out coils now. Let me show you. It's this little creek here. I'm thinking my 5-inch coil would be doing a lot better. At least give it a try here. Plus, kind of need a break. It's really warm and it's actually really humid. I'm going to detect back to the truck. One thing you got to keep in mind out here is a little situational awareness. We learned that in the fire service. Always keep one eye up if you can, and keep your ears open. I know it's hard not to get tunnel vision when you're out here detecting, but you could have a rattlesnake out here or a two-legged snake watching you. It's always good to keep an eye out. Oh, there's a creature. So, pretty much right on schedule. It's just right after noon, and we get some thunderheads building. Pretty typical. Let's hope these produce some decent rain, because we absolutely need it. So this is looking off to the north, higher elevation towards Prescott, and the humidity has jumped up big time. I'm sweating like a fiend. My knees are aching. So, yeah, taking a little break. You really gotta monitor your body. I'm feeling the effects of the heat, so starting to get headache, irritable, which is kind of normal for me. No, I'm kidding. I'm a pretty nice guy. That's nice. This little 5-inch coil really is so much more agile in the rocks here. I do think it's a little more sensitive, but when you're on flat ground, the 10-inch coil sure does move a lot faster and cover way more land. So I'm using my phone again. My gimbal, my Osmo Pocket, took a dive, literally. It fell out of its holder. Metal. If it's bouncing between gold and metal, then I'll take it seriously. But I'm just so tired. I actually was heading home. Then I saw a little spur road that went down here to this creek drainage. So I'm gonna attack some of these I'm gonna attack some of these tailings piles. Still no gold yet. It's like my 5th trip out. I'm not complaining. Just paying my dues, I guess. I guess I'm really forcing fall to be here.